Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to create thumbnail. I will show you how to create it easily, fast and free. So let's get started. So for creating a thumbnail, we are going to use Canva application. Canva is popular online graphic design and content creation platform which enables user to easily create a wide range of visual content which includes graphic, documents, presentations, social media posts, posters, flyers and more. Okay. We are going to use this Canva application. In this video, I am just going to explain how to create YouTube thumbnail using this Canva application. Okay, so let me open the Canva application. I have already logged into this Canva application. You can create an account using the Gmail, Facebook, or other social media platform, or else you can create your own username, unique username password for this Canva application. Okay, so you can sign in and create your username password, so you can just log in with that credential or just using the Gmail also. So I have already logged in. So you can see in the home page I have recent design, so what I have created for my YouTube channel, thumbnails and all the videos and all. So this is the platform I am using for creating my content. Okay, so you can see in the home page, you can see there is YouTube thumbnail. Okay, or else there is two tab, like directly you can click, it will create a blank open space with the dimension required, height and width required for the thumbnail, generalized size page dimension for the YouTube it is displayed, which is 1280 into 720 pixel. Okay, it will already create a canvas for that. Okay, or else you can just click on create a design. Here you can search for YouTube. Okay, YouTube thumbnail, it will appear. Okay, just click on that, it will redirect for create a new canvas for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so let me click on it. You can see it says open a blank untitled design for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, here you can just modify your name for this document. Okay, and here you can see templates, design, so you can just pick any template you want. You can see there are two types of template. Here you can say pro, it is for subscription one, like, and we are using the free version. Okay, so you can just ignore that one and you can just pick any one which is not having this symbol, pro symbol, that is free, so that you can use. Just click on it, it will just copy into your canvas. Okay, canvas area. So here you can just modify and according to your requirement and just can create a thumbnail. Okay, so if you want your pictures to be uploaded, just click on this upload button. Okay, there will be option for image, video and audio. So in ways you can upload image, videos and audio, and then can just click on, for example, let's click on this one. You can see that will be, or just drag and drop, it will be there on your page. Okay, so this is one way to keep your images on this. You can also find images, your pixels and all, photos. Just search for your requirement, canvas logos for example, it will show everything, the images of canvas logos on related. Okay, just you can click on it, it will come to your, or just drag and drop, it will come. Okay, so like this you can create your thumbnail image, or you can say photo, free. Okay, and it is easy, just you can just pick any template you want. See, these are all free and it is also too attractive, you can say. So just click on, so for example click on this, just modify it. So see, this one is coming, this you can modify it according to your the text and images. Same way you can create it. See, this top 5, like this you can just randomly take. So you can see there is watermark also. So this is the images is, it's not prepared, so that you can just click on it, delete it. The things which are coming as a watermark, you can just delete it and replace with your images and available photos and all. So it will be become free for you that you can use it. Okay, you can change the text as well, size, color. You can make it bold, italic, paragraph sizing also is there, alignment is also there, effect you can like you can also change the positions and all same. All things are like there here. You can just play around with this available options. Okay, how you can download is you can click on the share button. There is option of download. You can click on it and can, the suggested is png, so you can download it. Like you can say size automatic set for the YouTube thumbnail 1280 into 720 pixel. Okay, this is, you cannot change it because you are using the free version, but that is fine. We just want this is the recommended size of the file, so it's fine. You can just click on it, the image will be downloaded in your system, so you can use it. And also you can say drawing elements. Okay, drawing also, like you can use it to write and do it. Okay, and also the element also as well, you can see the shapes and all, you can use it. Okay, so that's it from my side. Bye, take care, and explore this Canva application.